Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to go over the Freetrade app to see if it's any good, whether it's comparable to trading 2 on 2, and have a quick look over my very small portfolio on it. So stick with me on this one and let's see what we can get into. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I do kind of reviews, investing videos, how to invest, productivity tips, etc, etc. So yeah, please do like and subscribe this video. It would certainly mean a lot to me. And let's get into the app. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap the app, and here we have the first screen, which is portfolio. As you can see, the little house icon in the bottom left hand corner. So you can see here my balance currently is £74.06, and my only investment is Pineapple Power. Now if you don't know what they are, I do have a video which I'll link up in the corner here, and they're a SPAC that kind of looking to go into renewable energy. That's all I'm going to say. The rest of it you can look up in a little video up there. Perfect. Okay, let's move on to insights. Now this is just a breakdown of your portfolio. You can see since February the 1st it's down 15%, but that's because this stock is actually worth around about 7-8 pence I think at the moment. Let's just check that. 9 pence, and it's having a look at that crazy day. And it's just kind of one of those portfolios which I just stick my pocket money into every now and then, £2-3 here and there, because it's such a cheap stock. I just top it up every now and then and just let's see where we go with it. You know, it's a bit of fun really. It's my YouTube account, should we say. And okay, so we go back to insights. We've got here, you can see stocks, commodities, cash, bonds. You can also do it by sector if you tap on the right bit there, and you've got energy and other. Obviously, because my portfolio is so small, that's all you're going to see, and that is it for insights. Now this app is quite basic in my opinion. It's good for beginners, really good for beginners if you want to get started. If you do want to get started, you can go ahead and click the link down below in my description to get yourself an account, and we both get a free share from it, and obviously that's always good news. You know, free money is always good news. Okay, so yeah, we'll move on to Discover. Discover is where you can basically search for stocks, so all your favourite stocks. One thing about this app is they don't have all the best, they have all the best stocks, but all the kind of penny stocks and things like that. So they do have limited trading and things like that. So for example, if we go to drone delivery Canada, we don't find them, but something similar like Tesla, we do find them. Neo, Teladoc gives you kind of similar companies. You can see here all the main bits here. So 1 day, 7 day, 1 month, 1 year. Good year for Tesla. And you can also add it to your watch list if you fancy it. So I've just done that there. And if you go back to portfolio, you can see if you scroll down it says it's on your watch list, which is always quite handy. If you're looking to invest in the stock, you can shortlist it and then keep tabs on it, see where it's going, see if it's a good entry price to enter, etc, etc. Okay, so moving down to the activity tab, which is like the heartline type thing. And this is basically what the activity has been in your account. So you can see here this Fallen Angels I've got here, which is a free share that I received from somebody. I sold that obviously to fund money for Pineapple, just because I'm keeping this is a Pineapple portfolio completely. You can see I reinvested that money, or most of it, into 64 shares of Pineapple. And you've got a February statement up here, which we won't click on because it's got some details in there which I wouldn't like sharing. And you can just scroll down, other top up from accounts, other free shares, MSCI, don't know what that is. Oh look, they've just tweeted. Check that out in a bit. So yeah, just basic activity. Again, really basic, really simple to understand. And then we move over to account, and this is basically breaking down what you've got in different areas. So you've got withdrawable cash, which is 2 pence, which obviously I wouldn't be able to withdraw because it's too little. Unsettled cash, reserved cash, and total cash in general. And you can simply top up and withdraw money there. Really easy, both things. I've done them both. And yeah, that's pretty much Freetrade in a nutshell. And up in the top right hand corner you've got account details, which I'm not going to click on because it's got my own details on there. Obviously for privacy reasons I'm not going to share that with you. But yes, this is the app, and you can see you can track your portfolio over a month, 7th day, 1 day, etc. As I say, it's really basic. Trading 2 on 2 dives in a little bit more with the charts. Again, with the penny stocks, etc., you can really get more out of it. But if you're just starting investing, then Freetrade may be the stepping stone that you need just to get yourself into stocks and understand them a bit more, put your money into where you kind of feel like it with the big stocks, and yeah, kind of go from there. So my plans with Freetrade going forward, like I kind of said before, is just putting Pineapple Power Corp stocks in there, and just seeing how it grows over the months, over the years, etc. And hopefully maybe I might become a millionaire off of it, who knows. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, like I said, it's a really cheap stock, it's a little bit of fun, and I'm kind of relating it to the YouTube channel that I've got here. And we'll kind of do semi-regular updates on it every couple of months or so, I would say, just to see how pineapple are going. I might include some news articles that I might find interesting from that. And yeah, that's basically Freetrade for me personally, because I use Trading 212. You can also get a free share with those as well, the link down below, but they have halted the sign-ups at the moment, so I'm not sure when you'll get in, but yes, you still can click the link and you will get it when you sign up, when they let you in. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you took some value from it. I hope you learned something about the Freetrade app that you may not have known. I know I only went over the basics, but there's not really much else to it. It is a very basic app, as I said, very good for beginners. So yes, get started with it, get investing, and yes, join the family, join the investing family. As always, like the video and subscribe the video. That really helps me out in this beginning stage of the journey. Thank you very much, guys. I hope I see you in the next one for more investing tips, productivity tips, etc, etc, etc. Love you guys. Cheers. Bye.